Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the account details so the reset process targets the right profile. First, confirm the exact username, primary email, and any linked phone number. Once done, open the official Roblox site or app on a desktop for clearer controls. Make sure you check your email inbox and spam folders for previous reset attempts. If you don't see messages, search alternate addresses you might have used. These steps reduce mistakes and stop repeated unknown error triggers before you request another reset. Now execute the reset while removing local conflicts that cause unknown errors. Request a password reset from the official forgot password flow and immediately clear the browser cache and cookies. This removes stale tokens. If you hit the unknown error, switch to an incognito window and try again. Make sure any VPN, proxy, or browser extension is disabled because altered headers or blocked scripts commonly trigger server-side errors. These actions let Roblox communicate cleanly and accept the reset request. Finish by using the reset link in your email quickly, since many links expire after a short time. When you set a new password, choose a strong but memorable phrase and log in immediately to confirm success. If the unknown error persists, switch devices or use mobile data rather than your usual Wi-Fi to rule out network-level blocks. As a last resort, contact Roblox support with the exact time, device info, and screenshots of errors. That helps them trace server logs and resolve account-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.